Winter. Winter is one of the four seasons. Spring, summer, winter, fall. The air is cold in winter. The days get shorter. Snow falls. It covers the ground. Some animals sleep all winter long. People try to stay warm. They wear hats and mittens. Winter can be fun. Sam builds a snowman. Maria goes sledding. Tom goes ice skating. The snow piles up high. Mary helps shovel it. What will you do this winter?
Now that you've learned about winter, I want you to go on Seesaw and take a video. Tell your teacher one thing that you learned about winter. I can't wait to see your video.